And this is where Amazon has suggested a bidding strategy that increases sales by more than 3 times. I will follow these suggestions based on their data from the holidays last year. I am going to show you how I launch an ad campaign for Amazon Merch on Demand products by using this Christmas shirt as an example. I use sponsored products, which is the best for advertising individual products on Amazon only. Your ad group name allows you to name your ads into different groups to organize and manage them. I'll do 22 for the year. Next, you want to input the ASIN for your product here. You can find the 10-digit ASIN number at the address bar at the end of the URL. You can also find it if you scroll down the listing in the product details section. Copy and paste the ASIN number and select all Amazon products, and click Add. You can choose automatic or manual targeting for the keywords your ads will target. Manual targeting is more advanced and allows you to choose specific keywords and bids based on your goals. You can find keywords to choose by first using auto campaigns and then finding which keywords convert to sales and then using those in manual campaigns. Automatic targeting is easier because Amazon does the work for you. It uses keywords from your listings like the title and description to target the ads. So the better your product listings are, the better your ads will be. The default bid is the price you are willing to pay per click on your ad. However, you are really paying for the order your ad will be shown when competing against other bids. 10 cents is the lowest I'll do for a bid, and 30 cents is usually the highest. The only time I will go higher is for a special design or circumstance. I usually do 20 cents. The key is to experiment and check the progress of your ads to see what bids work and for what designs and niches. Negative keywords help prevent ads from appearing on shopping result pages that don't meet your campaign goals. I usually skip this one and the next one. And this is where Amazon has suggested a bidding strategy that increases sales by more than 3 times. I will follow these suggestions based on their data from the holidays last year. It reads here, advertisers who adopted dynamic bidding up and down during the holidays saw a 3.2 times increase in attributed sales compared to those who used dynamic bidding down only or fixed bid. This is from Amazon's internal data from November 26 to December 22, 2021. So I will choose this and keep an eye on the ads as they are more aggressive than what I usually choose, which has been bidding down only. Choose a campaign name that will help you find your ad later when you search for it. Develop your own naming system for organizing your ads. Since I will be actively monitoring the ads, I do not choose an end date and manually end the ads if it is spending too much. For daily budget, I usually do $2 to $3. If you have a lower bid, you can raise your budget and vice versa. And that's it. Now launch campaign. It's all about experimenting with bids and budget and analyzing the data from your own ads to optimize them for your products and niches. Let me know if you run ads in the comments or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.